Hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ, and I got my buddy Evans here. Evans, how you doing, man?
Hello.
Hello. Anyhow, we've got a 1976 Ford Bronco right here, and this vehicle is just simply cooler than cool. It's one of the nicest Ford Broncos I've ever seen. As a matter of fact, this is the first time, so you know, that we've ever done an episode of a Ford Bronco.
Excellent.
So this is pretty cool. I think so too. And we have beautiful weather. We're in Phoenix, Arizona. What is it, about 82 degrees today or something?
For today.
Yeah, for today. Yeah, the heat's coming, isn't it?
The pain is coming.
Yeah, it is, man. So tell us about this 1976 Ford Bronco.
I've had it for about 3 or 4 years. It's a 76 Bronco.
Okay.
Got it from my wife. She always wanted one, and we got fortunate enough to find a 76. She was born in 76, and
cool.
It was a little rough when we got it, but over the years it turned into what you see here.
Yeah, no, this is really cool. Now this is not just your standard white paint, right?
Correct. It's a platinum, Ford Platinum White.
Ford Platinum White. That means it has a pearl in it, or
Correct.
something, or diamond look to it.
That's kind of pearl.
Okay, all right. It's very, very cool.
Thank you.
And I like what you've done here. This is pretty neat. And so, what's the coolest part about the Bronco? Is it the essence of having it? Is it the fact that it's a 76, or that you've done the work yourself? Give us some ideas regarding
driving it.
Let's go ahead back this way here.
Driving it, to be honest with you.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
A lot of people enjoy it, and you get a lot of thumbs up, which makes you feel good.
I bet you do. Yeah. No, this is pretty neat. Now, what is this here for?
That's for, to be honest with you, I think it's for like a tool or for gas tank.
Okay, all right, auxiliary fuel tank?
Correct.
All right, very cool. All right, super. It looks like you have a full-on roll bar here.
Yeah, it's a family cage.
It's called a family cage. Why is it called a family cage?
Just to protect the rear seats.
I see, okay.
We have kids and they ride in the back, so we ended up getting a family cage.
That's
so that way
cool.
Everybody's protected.
Now, do you take it off-road at all?
That's more of a grocery getter.
Is it okay?
For now.
Very nice. No, I get it. This is really nice. A nice bikini top here and stuff like that. This is really cool. So, what is like your engine? Your engine sounded like it was nice and clean. Let's go take a look at this engine if we can. Can we pop the hood here?
You betcha.
All right, cool.
It's a 302 with a mild cam, and it's got exhaust, headers, intake, carb, just your typical bolt-ons, nothing too crazy, but again, it's my wife, so it's more than what you need. She asked for.
That's cool though. All right, right on. This is nice. It sounded really good. So it's got, you said a mild cam, but it's enough cam to make some noise, right?
Yep.
Yep. And then you said it has headers,
Correct.
so it makes some nice noise. It sounds pretty cool coming
It's
up
healthy.
the road. Yeah. And nice winch here. Wow, very nice. So, how long did it take you to make this? I mean, to make it to finish it.
About 2 years from start to finish.
2 years, really? Now let's take a look at the inside. Can we open up the
bet.
door? All right, cool. Now, are all those original gauges, or did you add some different gauges?
They're aftermarket gauges.
They're aftermarket gauges?
We got it, and they were there, except some of them were non-functioning, so we replaced them with
I see, okay. All
same
right.
ones.
Very good. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's lifted a little bit. Now, did Broncos come lifted standard, or
no? It's got, I think, a 2.5, 3 inch lift.
Okay, very cool. That's good. Any special rear end differential to it?
No, it's stock. It's got, dual shocks up front.
Yeah.
And it's got some Rancho 9000s in the back. Your typical Bronco suspension upgrades.
All right, very cool. Very nice. I'll tell you, this is just a sweet looking vehicle here.
Thank you.
And so we did go for a ride in this vehicle on the way up here, but we didn't get a video of it. So now we're going to hook the camera up and we're going to go for a ride in a Bronco, because, like I said, this is the first time we've done a Bronco here on Eric's Garage AZ. So I appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get her ready for a ride, right?
Sounds good.
All right, cool, man. All right. Hey, everybody, it's Eric and Evans. Eric's Garage AZ coming at you with the episode of the 1976 Bronco, and now we're gonna take this bad devil for a ride. You ready?
Sounds good.
All right, man, let's do it. So we're at a park right now, and in the Phoenix metro area, and it's called the Phoenix Preserve. And actually, this is desert landscaping we're cruising in, and it's a beautiful day, but it's not all about the day today. Actually, what we're talking about here is this beautiful 1976 Ford Bronco. If you hear that, that sounds like some power, man. He mentioned he had some headers in there, which you hear, and also a nice cam. Do you know the manufacturer of the cam by chance?
I think it's a Crane.
Crane, very cool, nice. Now you said when you drive this car, you get a lot of thumbs up, people wave and whatnot.
Yeah, people like to enjoy it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm sure you enjoy it too, right?
Oh yeah, my kids love it.
I bet. Now who drives it more, your wife or you?
Me.
You? Okay. Living the dream. This is really cool. Like I said, this is the first time we've ever done an episode on Eric's Garage AZ of a cool Ford Bronco like this. You do any rock crawling with it at all?
No, not yet.
Not yet, no? Your wife says no, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, gotcha, I understand.
We have a couple more of these, so maybe one of those will be a rock crawler.
That's cool. So as we're out here enjoying this, and as we wrap up, is there anything else you want to share with the viewers regarding this thing?
Not in particular. I just want to say thank you very much for Richard and the gang over at Jackson's Car Wash on 3rd Avenue and Bell for always keeping our vehicles clean. They always seem to do a fantastic job, and just want to say thank you very much.
Awesome.
I also want to shout out to Randy at Driven 4x4 with his advice. Got a bunch of advice from him and helped out with this build as well.
Very cool. Anybody else?
To my wife, Justine. I love you. Thanks for letting me drive your Bronco.
It's always appropriate. Yeah, thanks for letting us do the video of your Bronco too, by the way. Well, thank you so very, very much, Evan. This is a great opportunity here. Hopefully the fans out there like this. And in the meantime, what to see our next Garage AZ land is drive like you stole it, bitches. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
Hey, this is Evans. You're watching Eric's Garage AZ. Be sure to drive it like you stole it, bitches.
Thanks for watching this episode of What's in Your Garage featuring a 1976 Ford Bronco totally tricked out and customized. Stay tuned for more only here on Eric's Garage AZ.